tricks for productivity. Today, we'll be adding the New Orleans Saints football calendar to our Gmail calendar. Little shout out to Wally out there. If you love football and it's football season, you can go to any one of your team websites, and typically they'll have a schedule here. And if you click on schedule and you click add to calendar, another window will pop up. And you can go ahead and click the add to calendar, either home games or full season. And you can click, I've already added this one. So you can click add to calendar. And then once you go back to your calendar, boom, there it is. And that's it.